The weather was terrible today. It was raining and it was super windy. Anyway, so I decided to go home and make my protein shake. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1.5 pieces of frozen banana, 100 ml of coconut water, and I ran out of coconut water, so वो तो दूध खराब लग रहा है. The milk was expired. I had to go and get more milk, and I also bought this H2 cocoa chocolate coconut water, and added 100 grams of this. It has more calories than normal coconut water, so I didn't put a lot of it in. I didn't put a lot in. Then this is 15 grams of granola, 125 ml of ice. Chocolate coconut water made it a lot better, and it was actually very good. So I think this is how I'm gonna be making my shakes from now on. It's more calories, but if you're in your deficit, it's not the worst thing in the world. This frozen banana I'm gonna use tomorrow.